In this episode, we will take you on a small trip to a salt canyon. We will cook some delicious sticky chicken thighs with grilled vegetables, and we will end this episode in a mesmerizing place. So stick with us on this amazing journey. We visited the salt canyon in a lovely village called Praid, which is situated in Harghita County, Romania. This, for instance, it's an old entrance to the salt mine, which is now closed. It is 90 meters deep and an escalator was used to bring the salt to the surface. Praid is a unique place in Transylvania which is known for salt mining. Dates back to the Roman era. The formation of salt in this area can be traced back to 20 million years ago, when the Parathetis Ocean got isolated, becoming a large lake. The lake dried up over the millennia, leaving large deposits of salt that go 3 kilometers deep. The salt canyon is not far from the salt mine, which we will show you in a future episode. In this area you can find many saltwater springs. Many people come here to cover themselves with salty mud which is full of minerals, and it is said to have a good effect on the body. There are warm mud baths too, not far from here. It rained for a week and the hills are covered with mud, but the salt formation can be seen. In a few days these hills will be full of salt crystals as the water evaporates. It is a very unique place because many plants can be found here which grow only on salty soil. And it is interesting because the stream which goes through the canyon doesn't contain any salts. You can see how big of a flood it was in the past week by the erosion on this hillside. Here's an interesting fact. A long time ago the locals knew if the rain was coming just by touching the salt. Probably because salt draws in moisture from the air. When the sun shines, the hills look like they are made of diamonds. The salt formations have intricate shapes and colors. It was truly amazing. Unfortunately, we couldn't explore it all because the trail was too muddy and the flood washed away a bridge that connected the trail to other points of interest in the canyon. But fortunately, they are working on restoring the bridge. Next up is our cooking spot because we've got hungry after this hike. We will make sticky honey Sriracha chicken thighs with grilled vegetables as side dish. For this recipe we used fresh ginger, chicken thighs, bacon, salt, smoked paprika, ground black pepper, lime, red onions, red bell peppers, garlic, broccoli, mushrooms, honey, sriracha, whole red peppers, butter, cloves, and some olive oil. For the exact amounts, check the description below. We start by cleaning and trimming the excess fat and the skin from the chicken thighs. We season them on all sides with salt and ground pepper. We continue by cleaning and slicing our red bell peppers in big chunks. We do the same with the mushrooms. When done, we clean and cut the broccoli as you see here. We don't use the thick stem because it will not be fully cooked on the grill. We peel some red onions, we cut them in quarters and take them apart. We will put some bacon too for our side dish, but if you want, you can miss this step. We love it because the fat from the bacon gives a nice flavor to the vegetables on the grill. We place our veggies on the skewers and the prepping is almost done. For our sticky sauce, we dice some ginger and garlic. We will crush them along with the cloves and the whole red peppers. Crush it until you get a nice smooth paste. We will grill the chicken thighs on both sides until the internal temperature gets to 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit. The veggies need to be grilled for 4 to 6 minutes on every side. We brush them with some olive oil to be sure that they stay moist. While our chicken and veggies are on the grill, we make our sticky sauce. In a hot cast iron pan, we add the butter and the paste we crushed earlier. We season with smoked paprika and we add the honey. We give it a good mix, a touch of freshly squeezed lime and the Sriracha. We reduce it while mixing until we get a nice thick sauce. Our chicken is done, so we brush it with the sauce on all sides. You can cover them with the sauce in the pan if you want. It is up to you. These sticky chicken thighs are out of this world. And the side dish is simple but delicious. The freshness from the vegetables complement the spicy, sweet and fruity chicken meat beautifully. You can't go wrong with this dish. Thank you for watching and check out the place we went after. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Take care and see you on the next one.